Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Explained, the channel where learning English is easy, friendly, and fun. I'm Emma, smiling warmly, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Jack, waves cheerfully. Hello, wonderful listeners. It's really great to be with you again. Emma, you look excited today.
I am excited, Jack. I'm smiling, I'm feeling good, I have my tea, laugh softly, and I'm ready for a very important topic.
Ah, yes, a very important one. And also a topic many people around the world need to understand better.
Exactly. So today, we're going to talk about health, specifically diabetes. What it is, how people talk about it in English, how to describe symptoms, how to explain habits, and how to have a simple conversation with a doctor.
And we're going to do all of that in a very friendly, easy to follow way, because that's what English Explained is all about.
Before we start, dear listeners, please remember to subscribe, give this episode a like, and share it with someone who might learn something new today.
Yes, sharing helps our channel grow, and it helps more people learn English in a simple, clear way.
All right, Jack, are you ready?
I'm ready if you're ready.
I'm ready. Let's begin. So, Jack, diabetes. How would you explain it in simple English?
Thinking. Okay. Diabetes is a health condition where your body has trouble controlling the amount of sugar in your blood.
Exactly. In English, we often say blood sugar or blood glucose.
Right. And when someone has diabetes, their blood sugar can become too high.
Yes, high blood sugar. In English, you may hear people say, "My blood sugar is high. I need to check my sugar. I'm managing my diabetes."
Good phrases. And Emma, there are two very common types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2.
Yes, in many countries, type 2 diabetes is more common. But today we will talk in general using simple English so everyone can understand the basics.
Let's teach some basic phrases. Imagine someone goes to the doctor and wants to explain their problem.
Right. They might say, "I feel very tired. I feel thirsty all the time. I need to urinate a lot. I have blurry vision. I feel hungry even after I eat."
Yes, these are common symptoms. And the word symptoms means signs that something is wrong with your health.
Exactly. That's a great vocabulary word. Symptoms.
If someone wants to ask a question, they might say, "What is my blood sugar level? Should I check my sugar every day? Do I need medicine?"
And a doctor might reply, "Your blood sugar is high. Your blood sugar is normal. You need to take this medicine. Please check your sugar in the morning."
Yes, these are real sentences people actually use.
Let's do a short conversation example. Jack, you be the patient. I'll be the doctor.
Okay, pretending to sit down. Dr. Emma, I don't feel very well.
All right, Jack, tell me what's wrong.
I feel tired all the time, and I'm very thirsty.
I understand. Anything else?
Yes, I feel hungry again even after I eat, and I go to the bathroom a lot.
Okay, Jack. I'd like to check your blood sugar. Please give me your hand.
Sure.
All right. Your blood sugar is high. I think you may have diabetes.
Oh no, is it serious?
It's okay, Jack. Many people have diabetes. You just need to take care of your health and follow some simple steps.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. You're going to be okay.
Dr. Emma is very kind. I feel much better already.
I try. Good communication is important, especially when talking about health.
Yes. And when someone has diabetes, they often need to talk about food, exercise, medicine, habits, and daily routines.
Exactly. Diabetes is not only about medicine, it's also about lifestyle.
Food is a big part of managing diabetes. Emma, what are some useful phrases?
You can say, "I need to eat healthy food." I avoid sugar. I eat more vegetables. I choose whole grains. I eat smaller portions.
Great. And someone might say, I check the labels on food. I try not to drink sugary drinks. I avoid sweets. I choose low-carb meals.
Perfect. And for people learning English, these phrases are very useful because you can use them anywhere, at home, at a doctor's office, even when talking to friends.
Yes, exercise is important too. Even something simple like walking.
Yes, walking is amazing. In English, we might say, I take a walk every day. I walk for 30 minutes. I try to stay active.
And for someone with diabetes, a doctor may say, please exercise regularly. Try to move more. Physical activity helps control blood sugar.
These are simple sentences, perfect for English learners.
Many people check their sugar at home. How do we talk about that in English?
Good question. You can say, I check my blood sugar every morning. My sugar level is 120 today. I check my fasting sugar. I check 2 hours after eating. My sugar is high, low, or normal.
Yes, very useful. Clear and simple.
Sometimes people feel scared or worried when they have diabetes.
Yes, emotions are important too. Someone might say, I feel nervous. I'm worried about my health. I'm scared of complications.
And a friend or doctor might say, you're not alone. We can manage this together. You can do this. Many people live healthy lives with diabetes.
That's beautiful words, Emma. Very supportive.
So, Emma, we have talked about what diabetes is, how people describe symptoms, what to say at the doctor's office, food, exercise, but there is still something important we should discuss.
Yes, Jack. Support. When someone has diabetes, they are not just managing a condition, they are managing a lifestyle. And support from family, from friends, and even from coworkers can make a big difference.
Exactly. People may need help remembering routines, like checking blood sugar, taking medicine, or planning meals.
Right. And learning how to talk about diabetes in English helps people communicate better with others. So let's teach some more sentences. Here are some everyday things people with diabetes often say in English. I'm going to check my sugar now. I need to eat on time. I take my medicine after breakfast. I have to be careful with sweets. I'm trying to build healthy habits.
And if someone is helping them, they might say, did you check your sugar today? Do you want me to prepare a healthy meal? Let's go for a walk together. I'm here if you need anything.
Those sentences are kind, helpful, and easy to understand. Perfect for friends and family.
Emma, let's teach phrases that show support. These help people feel strong and confident.
Sure. You can say, you're doing great. I'm proud of you. Keep going, you're getting better. Small steps make a big difference. You can do this.
Yes, and sometimes people need emotional encouragement, like, it's okay to feel tired. It's okay to feel worried. You're not alone. We'll get through this together.
Those are beautiful phrases, Jack. And they're very important because diabetes can affect someone's emotions too.
Let's do a small real-life example. Imagine two friends talking. I'll be the friend with diabetes, you be the supportive friend.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, Emma, I'm feeling really tired today. My sugar was high this morning.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Did you check your sugar after breakfast?
Yes, I checked. It went down a little, but I still feel slow.
It's okay, Jack. Do you want to take a short walk? Fresh air may help.
Yeah, maybe. I think walking could be nice.
Great. And don't worry, you're doing your best. Managing diabetes isn't easy, but you're staying strong.
Thanks, Emma. That means a lot.
Here is more helpful vocabulary for our learners. Insulin, medicine that helps control blood sugar. Meter, the small device used to check blood sugar. Injection, when medicine is put into the body with a needle. Fasting, not eating for many hours. Carbs, short for carbohydrates, a type of food that raises blood sugar. Portion, the amount of food you eat. Low sugar, food with little sugar. High fiber, food good for digestion.
Great list, Emma. And learners can practice using these words in sentences like, my doctor gave me insulin. I check my sugar with this meter. I eat small portions. I choose low sugar snacks.
Exactly. Very clear.
Well, Emma, I think we covered a lot today.
We really did. We learned about diabetes, how to talk about it in English, how to describe symptoms, how to speak with a doctor, and how to support someone with this condition.
And I hope our listeners learned something new, not only English, but also something useful for their health or the health of someone they love.
Absolutely. And to everyone listening, if you or someone you know has diabetes, remember, you can live a strong, healthy, happy life. And learning the right English phrases can help you communicate clearly and confidently.
Well said, Emma.
Before we go, please remember to subscribe to English Explained. It helps us continue creating more helpful episodes for you.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family.
And we have a question for you. What healthy habit do you follow every day? Do you walk? Do you drink more water? Do you avoid sugar? Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your answers. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Stay healthy, stay positive, and keep learning English with us.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.